it, my God, it began in the land of...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Celine. As you can tell, I have a bare face, right? Today I'm going to be coming up with a makeup tutorial. I don't really know which look I'm going for, but I have one kind of very dramatic look on my mind. I hope it's going to be working out like as I planned, and I'm going to be using a new palette for this. Have you ever heard about this brand, prettycomy? Prettycomy. Like seriously, I've never ever heard about it. I hope I'm not going to be disappointed. I'm going to be showing you straight away. This is how it looks like. It has a mirror, as you can see, and this is the shade. It has a 10 matte shade and 15 shimmer shade. From seeing it, I'm loving it, but I don't know how it's going to react, how I'm going to be, not how it's going to be how it's going to be playing along when I'm using the eyeshadow. Do a little bit swatch, especially for the shade I'm going for. Let me try this one right here and then show you the back of my hand. Okay, this shade claims to be very shimmer shade, but it's not coming out at all. It's not coming in at all. You guys can barely see it. I can barely see it on my monitor as well. There is no name written on the eyeshadow, okay? Just bear that in mind. Let me swatch this peach color, this one right here. Let me swatch this peach color and see how it's going to. Guys, I don't know if this is not showing at all. It's not showing. Swatch this orange color right here, peachy orange. Let me swatch it. I'm just going to leave it on my hand because it's not showing at all. This is how it looks like, guys. What do you guys say about that? Can you see it properly, or I'm the one not swatching it well? I can't really see it properly, guys. I can't see anything. Fingers crossed, okay? Let me just wipe this color out. Oh, doing my eyebrow, apply my eyeshadow base. I'll be right back just to show you how I'm going to work with this palette. If you're interested, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Okay guys, thank you. So guys, my eyebrow is done, so I'm going to be going in with this MAC Paint Prime eyeshadow base, and the shade is medium. I'm going to be using my concealer brush just to use that to distribute that all over my eye. I normally like to use this eye base. I don't know why I just choose today, but anyways, I'm just going to blend that. I'm super curious, guys. I'm super duper curious about that eyeshadow I'm going to be using today. My feelings, I don't know, normally when I get any new eyeshadow, I'm always excited, but with this one, I don't know how I'm feeling. I'm not feeling the vibe at all. So I'm going to be taking my Duo Beauty Blend. I'm just going to make it smooth a little bit. I always do this when I notice the eyeshadow is a bit, the eye base is a bit cracky. So with this, it's going to make it smooth so that when I apply the eyeshadow on top, it's not going to look it's not going to be patchy, it's not going to be hard to blend. I don't know, I don't just know how I'm feeling about this. But anyway guys, let's just give it a try. No harm in trying, right? We're taking the shade. This is kind of a very orangey peachy look, not look of orangey peachy shade. I'm going to be taking this Bubble brush, and I'm taking the shade right here, this shade right here, this shade right here.
I still don't understand where it came from, but you're back in with the passion. I'm awake with the flame, and
this is how the palette looked like. Let me show you once again, in case you read the name before. Prettycomy. Guys, it's popping, okay? The color is showing, but like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm not feeling the vibe of the shade. I'm going to be taking this shade, this orange shade. Should I take the orange shade? I don't think so, because no, it's not going to work together. because we already have a bit of peachy orange on the crease. So I'm going to be taking the shade right here. This is a very light peach color, this one right here. There's no fallouts. What I just noticed, there is no fallout, and it's kind of, you know, pigment. When I apply it, when I use my brush to touch the palette, the color, it's taking a product, but it's not popping on my lid the way I want it to be. Like, are you feeling me, guys? I'm going to be switching off to a smaller brush. I'm going to be taking the shade. This is a it is kind of light violet color. This color right here. It's not coming out, guys. It's not coming. It's not even showing anything. It's not showing anything. It's not showing anything. Anyway, guys, I'm going to be switching off to another eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this MAC eyeshadow, and it's called Ember. This color right here. This is a very dark chocolate color, and I'm going to be taking this, the other side of the brush. I'm just going to use that to hold that to my crease. This is a dark gray color, this one right here. This is one of those looks that I do. I'm not really, it's just fun, you know, playing with colors and see how some brand products are. Okay, this is not, I don't know how to call it. This is just trying new brand. Okay, this is just it. We can always make our way out. So it's a makeup junkie. Okay, I'm just going to use that eyeshadow base. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my lid, this one right here, just a little bit. I'm not doing any cut crease. Okay, no cut crease. It's not a matte color. I'm just going to apply that all over. Guys, this color is not coming out as really as a black, it's coming out as a dark navy blue. Okay, I'm just doing a look. I'm just doing a makeup look. Okay, I'm doing a makeup look. So guys, I'm going to be taking this liner glitter, and this one is a silver, it's gold, kind of gold silver, and it's by Maybelline. I'm going to be, normally I would use it like that, but I'm just going to be applying it on my eyeshadow brush so that it can really appear more on my lid, on my inner corner. Guys, I'm loving the look, the way it looks like right now. This is not my favorite look, okay? Without this liner glitter, guys, this video is not going to be up, trust me. Moving on to my face, I'm going to be using this NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. During the winter time, my skin is a bit dry, so yeah, I'm going to be applying this before I apply my other primer. I'll be using my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer right here. I'm just going to apply that to my forehead. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Nutmeg. Guys, don't worry, this foundation is darker than my skin complexion, but don't worry about that, okay? Sometimes I do like when the foundation is a bit darker. Using a brush today, like seriously forever I've not used foundation brush. I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Prime Virgin brush. So now I'm going to be using my beauty blender just to do extra do extra do. I'm going to be setting my face using the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. So guys, to highlight, first I'm going to be going in with the Naked Skin Color Correcting Concealer. A shade, which is shade called Deep Peach. The shade is called Deep Peach. Under my eye, the bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bone, and my chin. Using a new concealer today, which is a new shade, not a new concealer. I'm going to be using the l.a.girl Pro Concealer in the shade Nude. I've used it once long time ago, so I'm going to be using it today. So I'm going to be using my foundation brush just to blend the edges of my highlight so everything will look seamlessly blended. So guys, I'm going to be setting my highlight. I'm going to be using that Artdeco High Loose powder.
Funny, think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts.
For extra sharp contour.
It's your fault. I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to.
So guys, to set my contour, actually this is a bronzer, the CoverGirl Queen Ebony bronze. I'm just going to, just kind of bronze my cheeks.
I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding on.
So I'm going to be using the same brush, the one I used to apply my eyeshadow. I'm just going to use it to set my nose, just to contour my nose with that. So I'm going to be winging my eye. I'm going to be using my l.a.girl, which is the Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner. So for blush, I'm going to be taking this Anastasia blush, just like so. Peach color. I'm just going to, or nude, I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone. I totally forgot. I'm going to be taking this NARS mascara, and I'm just going to apply it on my on my upper lashes and on my bottom lashes later on, after I spray my makeup setting spray. So guys, today I'm going to be using a new lashes. I've worn it once, I love it, so I decided to share with you, and this is by emeda lashes. Super beautiful, very beautiful, and it's perfect for this look as well. I'm going to be spraying my face. I'm going to be spraying Mario Badescu rose water on my face before I remove the excess powder. Okay, that was quite a lot. So for highlights, I'm going to be taking the Bobbi Brown shimmer highlighter, and this one is called Raw Sugar. This is my all-time baby. So I'm taking this Sowever brush. What is it called? This one is called Face Focus, and yeah, I'm just going to do it just like so because I like the combination of the highlight. Is kind of big pink and peach and gold, so everything just matches together.
Got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. Neon wavelets got me feeling like
taking a smaller brush to highlight my inner corner, just like so.
I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding on in all stars now.
DM, this is from drugstore Alverde Natural Cosmetics. Okay, I'm going to be taking this one, and this one is called Brunette in number 2. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick by Maybelline. This one is called Super Stay Matte Ink.
What's